In this video, we'll delve deeply into the art of getting around proctoring exams and earning that coveted A+. If you're a student looking to ace your online proctored exam without breaking a sweat, you're in the perfect spot. How to get past ProctorU. ProctorU is the go-to proctoring service for a wide range of tests, from academic exams to entrance assessments, like the HEI A2, but fear not, with our insider knowledge, ProctorU can be easily gotten around, even with the camera on and a lockdown browser. Where is the ProctorU used? Advice: you'll be passing your ProctorU exam with ease like a pro. Before we go into the details of how to cheat on Proctor, let's first dispel the myths surrounding it. From setting up your exam to finishing the authentication process, we'll walk you through each step of the procedure. But before we do that, let's get to the juicy details of how to cheat on Proctor. What is ProctorU and how does it operate? We're talking about the infallible, undetectable way, not the antiquated techniques like taking notes or sneaking a peek at your phone. The method of the technical expert. You heard correctly. Using the technical expert method, cheating on ProctorU is not only possible, but also completely safe and secure. Our specially designed software guarantees that you breeze through without encountering any red flags. Don't believe us? We have video evidence of ProctorU being bypassed in real time. Watch the magic happen as we sneak through the system undetected. Now that you know this, you may be wondering how to take advantage of this game-changing tactic. Proctored Exams Nerd is the best place to get exam-taking services and has the technical know-how to get around any proctored exam. We have you covered, whether it comes to various methods of cheating on ProctorU or any other proctored software. Methods for obtaining Test Bunny services for straight-line final test cheating. If proctored exams or any other use a webcam for commercial purposes during a proctored exam to cheat. Get them to look at grades of A or B in English engineering, computer programming, humanities, social sciences, and so forth. If you've ever considered hiring for proctored exams, hiring for college exam takers, and you don't plan on failing out of college like I did,